get it. These hook good.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
No, that's a good one, dude. It's a good start.
Did you get another one out there?
Yeah.
Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Yeah, I barely fucking felt that. I felt like I was on a tree.
Where's my
Got him. I saw that. Little guy.
Go deep.
Yeah. Like, how many times do you throw back?
Yep, exactly. You just have to put it from the right way.
Oh, that was my eye. That was nice.
This guy's going on your side because.
I don't know if there's water.
Oh, there is. Okay.
Damn, fucking hammered it. That was a lot bigger than that.
I thought it was too.
Yeah, you fucking hammered it.
Stomach on it. A little bit.
What up?
That one actually has a little bit of stomach on it. Tiny bit. I like the jack.
need right there.
Yeah.
Out in the middle.
Kinda. I made a long cast. He probably came off those rocks. Ate the fluke. Oh, he ate this thing good too. Yeah. Put us back out.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull that. Sweet. Yep, small. Okay.
Molly's going.
Okay, let me. This guy's going back. So yeah, then we just gotta weigh yours.
Yeah. So Smalley's going it.
Yep.
Alright. Back to all large.
That's a good one, dude. Oh my god, dude, this is the one we need. It's the one we need, dude. It's the one we need. Fuck yeah, dude. Yeah. God, dude, did you see as soon as it hit the wall?
That's the thing, when they're back in that shit,
Oh.
if they haven't eaten, you have to, you just can't let them feel you.
Oh.
That's a good one. Be careful, he's coming out the bottom.
Oh. Fuck yeah. Oh, he was hooked good too. Right in the jaw. Oh.
Good job, dude.
Fuck yeah, fat.
Yeah, that's the pretty small fish we need.
Oh, come on, baby. Oh, call out all them bitches. That's gotta be pushing 3.
Yeah, that's gonna be bigger than mine.
Oh yeah. Number 2. Calls it 3.6. We got 12.2.
3.6?
Yeah.
Fuck you,
Almost.
dude. 3.5.
We have 12.2. So number 2 goes.
Number 2 for sure. We don't have to be
Yeah.
anything.
No. Yeah. Don't
Okay.
okay. It. Good one.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
You got it?
It's gonna help.
Damn it. I look big.
He looked big in the water, yeah.
You got it.
Damn, he headshotted it.
Alright, this time for Luke.
It came out of that grass patch that was on that.
He's
Yeah, he oh. My dice, Michael. Oh, it flows. We'll keep moving.